Hey everybody, I'm Carrie, your astrological empowerment coach, and I'm here with another wellness horoscope video. And this is designed to help you bring astrology down to earth and into the real world so that you can use it to create your best life. There's a lot going on above, as so below. But the thing that's going to affect you the most this week is this new full moon in Virgo coming in on February 19th. I was looking up at the sky the other night and I was thinking, this moon is fucking huge, like way bigger than that super blood wolf moon thing. But it made a lot of sense because this is the full moon in Virgo, and Virgo is the workhorse of the zodiac. I mean, it was up there like a bat signal, like calling us to get our house in order. You've probably been feeling this yourself, this desire to just clear everything out, clear out mentally, clear out physically, clear out spiritually. And that's for a reason, because Virgo is the purifier of the zodiac. Every sign in the zodiac teaches us something that we will need to survive and thrive. And Virgo teaches us about the desire and necessity for consistency. So Virgo is telling us how to plan ahead, to have a structured life, to have a daily routine, to take care of the physical body. But Virgos don't do this for no reason. Virgos have this very innate desire to be of service to something greater than themselves, something very divine. So you'll find a lot of Virgos in the military. You'll find them on sports teams. You'll find them in any environment where structure is needed in order for like the whole team to attain the goal. And the thing that comes to mind for me is a friend of mine from high school who's a Virgo, and she's a stay-at-home mom, and she runs the household in a very Virgo way, and everybody is taken care of and they get their home cooked meals, and her kids have so many activities, and she is like the producer of that household. That's the Virgo energy. I always call Aries the soldiers of the zodiac because they have this courage and this fight and this like willingness to just charge into battle, you know? But what I call Virgo is the general of the zodiac, because they don't charge into battle. They don't charge into anything, Virgos. They create a plan. They study the enemy, they create a strategy, they create the battle plan so that when Aries charges in, they actually have a chance to win the war. And we need that kind of energy in our lives. It's like when we go to the gym, right? You don't just go to the gym and just start picking up weights and kettlebells and just hope something happens. Like you go and you get a trainer, and the trainer assesses your body type, and they create a strategy for you to get the results that you want. That's Virgo. Virgo is like the personal trainers of the zodiac, even the messy ones. I get this question all the time. People are like, oh no, but Carrie, I'm a Virgo and I'm a mess. And you know what I tell them? I say, if I went to your house right now and I saw all these piles of paper everywhere, you could still tell me what piece of paper is in what pile. And they just nod. Yup. And that's the thing, like Virgos are always pointing out that they're a mess, even if they're not a mess, okay? It's like it's all in their heads, but that's another video. So how can you use this new full moon in Virgo energy? The first place I always go is with food. You know, Virgo, every sign in the zodiac is connected to different organs and different parts of the body. And Virgo has a lot going on with the gallbladder. So like having a lot of saturated fats or sugars and fried foods, that doesn't go well with the Virgo energy. It's not going to go well for you during this full moon. So the best thing to do is to be holistic and to eat lots of fruits and vegetables and whole grains. Another thing you can do is start your fitness plan over again. You may have fallen off the wagon after your New Year's resolution. This is the time to get back on the horse, because this full moon in Virgo energy is going to give you the energy to do that. And if you're especially don't think you'll be able to do it. Like maybe you have some Taurus in your chart, or maybe you have some Pisces, so you're just like la la la. What you should do is hire a trainer, hire a coach, or just start working out with a friend so that you have this buddy system, because I guarantee you, you're going to want to do it and you're going to be able to do it. Another thing is that Virgo is all about purification. So if you have been wanting to do a fast or a cleanse or a detox, this is the perfect time to do it. Please use the next 4 weeks to do this because you will stick to it. Another thing about this purification thing with Virgo is that there's going to be a desire for you to express emotions, like anything that you've kept hidden and, you know, just like laid to the side until another time. You're going to have this desire to get it out, to speak it out. So if you have been putting off a conversation that's difficult with a friend or a family member or a partner, this is the time to do it. And it will help you and them to finally get it off your chest. And also, you won't back down this time. If you have been in the past, started the conversation, not been able to actually finish it, you will be able to do it this time. Okay, so there is a higher octave and a lower octave of every sign, and there's definitely one with Virgo. Even though Virgos are the workhorses and the champions of the zodiac, they do have this lower octave side, which means that they are perfectionists and also procrastinators at the same time. So what we all will be feeling in the next 4 weeks is this desire for things to be perfect, and then also a desire to put them off because they cannot be perfect, because nothing is. Now, the way to get around this is to use your plant medicine, folks. One of my favorite flower essences to use is called tansy. And I love tansy because it's basically like coffee without the buzz or the dehydration. You take 4 drops of tansy under your tongue 4 times a day, or drop 16 of those things into a water bottle and sip it throughout the day, and it gives you the focus and the energy that you need to do boom, 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 right after another, without any trips to La La Land in the meantime. And if you are someone who has more of that Neptune energy, that some of that Pisces energy, or even Cancer or Scorpio, if you're a water sign or have a prominent water sign in your chart, another flower essence that you can use that kind of will help you just kind of lift the fog so you can get things done. Another flower essence that you can use is called clematis. And clematis, Clematis, is basically just a fog lifter. Use that with tansy and you really can't lose. And if you want to know what's going on with Venus in Capricorn or Mercury in Pisces right now, go check my video that I did about it a couple weeks back on my YouTube channel. It's called Wellness Horoscope, February 4th through 11th. Now, I want to know how this new full moon in Virgo is affecting you. So let me know in the comments. Let me know how it's affecting you. And also let me know if you use some of these self-care strategies, and let me know how it works out. And if you would like to have an astrological empowerment reading or coaching session with me, just hit me up on my website. The information is in the space below. I'd be happy to schedule some time with you. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, share this video with your friends and family. I'm sure they could use it over the next 4 weeks as well. We're all on this planet together. We could all use some guidance. Take care.